Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find profitable Airbnb locations, easy guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your target market. Research the demographic of travelers who frequent Airbnb. Look into age, preferences, and common travel patterns. Use online tools like Google Trends to identify popular destinations. Examine Airbnb's own market reports to understand current rental trends. Next, assess local regulations and laws for short-term rentals. Check city websites for any restrictions on short-term rentals. Contact local authorities if necessary to clarify any legal questions. Analyze competition in potential locations. Visit Airbnb to check the number of listings in your chosen area. Look at the average price of similar listings to gauge profitability. Consider the seasonal demand of the area. Research peak travel times and local events that draw visitors. Utilize data from Airbnb and other travel platforms to anticipate fluctuations. Then, evaluate the amenities and attractions in the area. Identify nearby landmarks, restaurants, and entertainment options. Consider how these amenities influence guest preferences. Gather data on occupancy rates for different locations. Use tools like AirDNA or Mashvisor to get detailed occupancy insights. Compare historical performance data for different neighborhoods. Conduct a property assessment in these target areas. Visit potential locations to evaluate the property condition and neighborhood vibe. Take note of the property's proximity. Finally, analyze your potential return on investment. Calculate expected income based on occupancy rates and nightly prices. Consider expenses like cleaning, management, and maintenance costs. Make a final decision based on thorough analysis and research. With these steps, you can effectively find profitable Airbnb locations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.